The Lesnik M all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a 33 horsepower Kubota diesel engine. The maximum speed is 50 km per hour. The speed on the water is 2 km per hour. The number of passengers is 3 to 5 people. Carrying capacity 500 kilograms. In swamps and water, 300 kilograms. The curb weight is 1,250 kilograms. Right now? Yes. Now I will try to turn on the front and rear axle locking. This is my first time riding this all-terrain vehicle. I don't know yet how that works. You saw how I drove out with the axles locked. Guys, it is good that there is an axle lock. Oh, it was tough here. Well guys, let us go out. Guys, hello everyone. Now I will briefly tell and show you this all-terrain vehicle Lesnik M. Awning, 2016 year of release. Everything is standard. In addition, pneumatic locks were installed. We just used them, and as you can see, they helped us out great. Winch installed. Additional equipment was also installed on Lesnik M, including additional canisters and roof rack. Now let us see what we have inside this all-terrain vehicle. Kubota engine, turbocharged. In great condition. New all-terrain vehicle. Its mileage is 89 hours. Did not ride it in hard-to-reach places. When hunting and fishing. Traveled a little. There is also a trailer for it. Also on ultra-low pressure tires. The all-terrain vehicle is very cool. Tires. Size 1350 by 700. These tires have a central inflation system. Deflate and inflate. You can go everywhere. As I said, additional canisters are installed on the all-terrain vehicle so that you can go very far. There are folding berths. A winch is installed here. In the front they moved it here and plugged it into an outlet. And drove back. Everything is controlled from the dashboard. Removable awning, which is especially good in summer, when it is hot and you want to swim. Additional roof racks are installed on the roof to take a lot of cargo. Factory-made all-terrain vehicle. They are assembled in Volga. An all-terrain vehicle plus a trailer make it possible to visit places where no human has ever gone.